Bai Qi, a youth from the Southlands, was gifted to the royalty of Yong to serve as an experimental weapon. After they weathered a sudden crisis together, the once hostile relationship between him and the young sovereign of Yong blossomed into a close friendship. The two grew up side by side. As the Blood Clan invasion overflowed the borders of the Southlands, they set off to Gacha together in search of wisdom. As they journeyed, however, they were ambushed by a Blood Clan regiment. Bai Qi wrested a weapon from the hand of the enemy leader and cut a path forward for their party, but was infected by the Blood Clan in the process. The sages at Gacha were able to treat his wound, but warned that the seal they placed over it should never be broken. Otherwise, there would be no saving Bai Qi. After the two friends returned from Gacha, Yong launched an assault on the Blood Clan. Bai Qi fought without abandon, while Yong was eventually able to drive off the Blood Clan. It came at a cost. The seal over Bai Qi's wound had been broken. As the power of the Blood Clan burst forth once more, his wound festered, and Bai Qi was haunted by bloody nightmares. To save his original nature, the sovereign of Yong removed Bai Qi's mask and forced him to endure the light of the sun. With great pain, Bai Qi struggled through the most difficult days. However, he thought of how the new Yong was lacking in strength, but steadfast and hungry for justice. Just like himself, he needed to become more powerful if he were to protect the nation. Thus, Bai Qi donned his mask once more, allowing himself to be infused with the power of the Blood Clan. He accepted this corruption for one purpose alone: to gain power none could stand against.